Konnichiwa, YouTuber! What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome to a new chapter of this channel. It's a new chapter because I'm switching to English. So for this is not my first language. I hope you don't mind my bad pronunciation or whatever. I guess it will get better over time. Let's see. Maybe I switch back to German if it's too cringe to talk in English like that. We are on our way to change the car because I need the car of my friend Tim. He's so kind to borrow me his car and his trailer because we are going to pick up a new project bike. And as you maybe guessed from my opening, it will be a Japanese one. So I'm very excited and I'm better prepared than last time. The last time I bought an Aprilia RS 660. This whole rebuild series of the Aprilia is in German, so I guess no one of you would have watched it, or only a few guys who speak German as well. But when I picked up the last bike, I had to drive 3 hours to get it, and on the way the phone died, so I had no phone, no navigation, and in the end I had to sleep in the car because I hadn't made it in time. This time I'm well better prepared. I got my charger with me, I got the cable, the power bank. I only have to drive around about 45 minutes, so that's very lucky too. And I'm gonna pick up another friend who will join me. And he has a mobile phone too with navigation and all this stuff. So should be a sure shot. We will see. I'm gonna switch cars now and then I'll talk to you later. I just switched the cars. I'm now in Ford Focus. I thought he would give me his RS, but I was wrong. I don't know if you see it in the back, the trailer is on it as well. So we are now heading to pick up my friend Martin, and then we are going to pick up the bike. Yeah, as I mentioned before, I'm very excited, and let's see if I'm really gonna pick it up, because I guess I can check the bike and see if I really want to take it. I bought it on an auction, and yeah, as a private person you can decide if you want to pick it up or if it's too damaged or whatever and you don't want to pick it up. So no risk at all, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pick it up. Even if it's stupid, when I want to have something like that and I'm standing right before it and can take it with me, the chances are high that I'm gonna take it, even if it's not the best decision. But yeah, maybe it's good that I take a friend with me, so if the bike is garbage, maybe he can intervene and don't let me take it. We will see. So I guess I'll see you in a minute when we arrive at the yard. See ya! So the bike is all loaded up. We are ready to go. All the Spanngurts are fixed. Martin did a great job here. We are true professionals.
Peace. That thing goes nowhere.
What? What?
Can I get a bottle of water? Da ist nämlich so mit.
We are finally back home. Trailering the car or picking up the car has worked just fine, so I'm very happy with that. And yeah, in the next video we will take a look at the CBR to check the damages and to see what we are working with. Shout out to Tim for the trailer and the car. Merci, merci. Yeah, I hope I will see you next time when we checking the CBR. Until then, I wish you a good week and leave a thumbs up, push the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.